आज मेरा COVID-19 टेस्ट है which is required by the company. Hey guys, let me introduce myself to you. I am Karan Veer Singh and I'm in the Merchant Navy. I've been sailing as a third officer since 2 years now. I had the opportunity to join a ship during this pandemic time. Before I move forward, मैं आप लोगों को दिखा देता हूँ what all I got just for precautions. So I got this face mask which is mandatory. Then I got this sanitizer spray. Next is some hand sanitizers. ये tissue and ये gloves. Oh God.
Was that good for you?
Oh, that was horrible. So I just got finished with the COVID test abhi and it was कैसे बताएं आप? But in the end it was just like सारे precaution लो and you know सब hand sanitizer लगाते रहो and mask तो पहनते रहना. And दिल की बात बताऊँ तो जब मैं photo start कर रहा था अपने documents, people were looking at me as if I'm like a virus itself, you know. वो लोग
ऐसे भी पकड़ा रहे मुझसे,
you know, hesitate कर रहे थे. देखते हैं रिजल्ट क्या आता है, बट कुछ भरोसा नहीं इस वायरस का. बाकी नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज मेडिकल टेस्ट जो एज पर द गाइडलाइंस व्हिच वी हैव टू फॉलो.